If you're looking to get free stuff from SHEIN, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First off, SHEIN has a newsletter that you can sign up with. And if you sign up to the newsletter, you can get free shipping and also free returns. And sometimes they also send out promo codes. And that includes giveaways and or free items included in your newsletter, right? If you want to sign up, you can go to their website here. And of course, just type in your email and then register to their newsletter. Another thing that SHEIN also does is called a free trial. Now, the way that the free trial works is that they'll send you free items, although you do have to register first and you will have to get picked by the system to qualify for the free trial. But basically, you'll get a free product, and for the return, you'll just need to write a in-depth review about their products. And this benefits the both of you because you get free products and SHEIN gets great reviews for their website as well. And so there's two methods you can choose here. Either you do a free trial or you can sign up to their newsletter to get promo codes and also giveaways and free items. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.